Oh, hello there. Welcome to Biotopes. Thanks for stopping back in. Just wiping down this glass from this aquarium. This is the brand new biotope. It's the South Johnstone River in eastern Australia. And thanks for stopping in. And let's take a close look at what we got going on here so far. So again, this tank is a representative of the South Johnstone River in eastern Australia. Shout out to Jason Sulda of Australian Biotopes, who was a really big help on this build and has continued to be a good resource for me. Be sure to check out his channel. He's got some really great real natural footage. So this is a 75-gallon tank. It is plumbed with an overflow, and I've got a return on it. It's hooked in right now to a 10-gallon sump. Eventually this will be all part of two 75s on the sump, but right now it's just the one. And this sump is set up kind of in a DIY baffle system, and just got some bio rings, some filter floss, just different filter media in there. And I just checked the water parameters. We're at 0 nitrates, and pH is about 7.2. So yeah, so it's in really good shape. It's been set up probably about a month. So the base of this tank is just pea gravel and some like screenings you would use for like doing a walkway, and some pool filter sand. It's kind of mixed in together. I've got some like river rocks in there. This piece of wood is fastened to a rock on the base, so it kind of just sticks in there and stays down. As you can see, I've got two types of plant. I've got some large Valsenaria in the back. It's a mixture of Americana, Rubris, and I think Spiralis is also in there, but really big, thick val, which is really working out great, starting to spread already. I've got two types of Apanagitan in here. I've got the Crispus, which is this one in the kind of on the left in the back. It's sent up a seed shoot. This one on the right also has a seed shoot going up. It kind of melted back. It's coming back now. They've been in there probably about 2 weeks, doing really well. And then this one in the front, I can't remember which species that is of Apanagitan. I think it's maybe Boliviana or something like that. So they're all doing really well. Right now I've got 3 Sune-McGill signifers in here. They're on the right now. I've got 1 male and 2 females. And I've got 10 more in quarantine that'll be ready to go in here soon. I think I'd like to maybe source some more, or I've also got some babies growing up, so maybe I'll just breed some more and put them in there. I think 30 to 35 is probably a good number for this size tank and that size of fish. If you are breeding signifers, they do grow kind of slow, so that takes a little bit while, but great little fish. And then right now I think I've got 11 ghost shrimp in here. In a lot of the freshwater rivers in the world, there's lots of different types of grass shrimp, ghost shrimp. So they're doing a really good job of kind of completing the ecosystem, breaking down some of the leaf litter and wood and sticks that are in here. You can see there's a lot of leaf litter. This is some locally sourced oak leaves. I've got some live oak in here. There are some magnolia leaves. Just a really good mixture of leaf litter, and a lot of those, the rivers, and this South Johnstone River in particular has a lot of leaf litter and rocky areas. So it's come along really well. So on this tank, again, I forgot to mention before, I'm just running a 48-inch Aqua Neat on here, low budget light, you get on Amazon. It's creating plenty of light for this tank. Like I said, I've already gotten the Valsinaria starting to spread. The Eponogeton's thrown up, flowers. So it's plenty for this system right now. And because I'm using a low level light, I have very little algae. So it's really becoming a really nice ecosystem. As I said before, we'll add more fish to it. I'm going to add more signifers. I'm going to add probably 2 more different species of fish, not sure which. If you've got good suggestions, what would go in this 75-gallon system with signifers, please put in the comments below. Let me know what you think. And I'm really excited to see how this biotope develops. Shout out again to Jason at Australian Biotopes. He's been a huge help, and I look forward to continuing to reach out to him in the future. Be sure to check his channel. Thanks so much for tuning in, everybody. And if you like this type of content, you want to see more of these biotope build-outs, please subscribe and give it a like. And let me know what you think of these biotopes, or let's share any questions you have on this setup. If you want to know how we did any of it, please put in the comments below, and love to talk to you about it. So thanks so much.